Hello, I am Dr. Sonia Cunningham Leverett with Hadassah's Crown Publishing, and I am excited that you continue to be here with me to find out about the phenomenal things we are doing here at Hadassah's Crown Publishing, whether it's writing tips, tips on being an author, tips on promoting your book, or author interviews. We sometimes just give you updates about new books that are on our shelf. And so the purpose of this video today is to tell you about a new book that is being released this week. It's entitled From a Thug to a Saint. From a Thug to a Saint. This one is penned by Frederick D. Mason, and the description reads as follows. From poverty to riches, to murder, to finding God in a bottomless pit, Keith and his childhood friend Devin were inseparable until one old school hustler played God and ended their brotherhood forever. Keith and Devin thought they would just hit a lick and they would be straight, but their careless thinking prevented them from making several rational decisions. Keith's grandmother was always pouring faith into him. She would say, no matter where you are or what you're facing, God sees you. Keith never knew how vital her instruction was until his faith was tested. And it wasn't just tested once, it was tested a number of times in several different ways. And so the reader's attention is captured. You're spellbound, just trying to see what is going to happen, because you are definitely on the protagonist, who is Keith in this story, on his side, because you know where he's come from, you know his heart, what he's trying to do, and you can see the good in him and what God is trying to do. I truly love these books of redemption when someone candidly and transparently shares with us who they were before they were called to be who God has ordained them to be. When after they go through everything that they go through, they raise their hands and they cry out, I yield, I can't keep this type of life. It's just too dangerous. It's too taxing. It's too stressful. I am ready to be who God has called me to be. And so the protagonist in this book does just that. But I can't tell you how it ends. I was getting ready to just spoil that, because you know what? There is going to be From a Thug to a Saint Part 2. So go ahead and grab this one, read it, and get ready, because we are getting ready to start on the second part of this series. I promise you, you will stay tuned. You will be just all enthralled in this book. It is a page turner. It is something that you want to read, and at the end you're going to say, oh really, I have to wait. You're going to leave me hanging, because I don't know what's going to happen in the second part. I can't wait to see and to read more myself. So again, this is our purpose for publishing. We are Hadassah's Crown Publishing, where we are reaching back, helping other authors become published as well. And we love stories of redemption. We love faith-based testimonials. We love books. We love nonfiction, and we love children's books as well. But whatever we publish, it is going to have a positive message, where it's inspiring, where it's empowering, it's uplifting somebody and giving people hope. So if you or someone you know has a book that you believe would fit well on our shelf, you can reach us. I will have the email address in the description. I will also have our website. You can check out our bookshelf and see what we've been doing. And I hope that you will support our authors. So this is a debut author, and our next video is going to share information about another debut author. Both of these authors have just been published here in January 2025. And we have more books coming, because we just received a number of new submissions. So 2025 is coming in pretty strong, and we're excited about what we're doing. So if you want to be a part of our community, again, like, share, subscribe. Please comment. Tell us what it is that you want. We have some videos that will be coming. We're going to be talking about publishing trends. We're going to be talking about some writing projects that we're going to be doing with some young people, but older people can get information from those sessions as well, where you can strengthen your writing. And so we are just here, all things publishing, all things writing. So thank you for being on this journey with us. We will be back with more.